Well, guys, it's Teddy, the real bearded Santa. Just got out of the shower, put some more product in it, but this is after round 5 of bleaching. So let's go over some of the quick little tips and tricks. So this is the bright white product by Ion that I use. It'll go 8 shades, okay? I use a developer 30 for most of it. Sometimes I mix in some 20. I did mix in a little bit of 40 with what I needed to do just to touch it up, just give it a little more heat. So 40 is only for those hard spots. Like I do it right around my line real quick, and I don't leave it on for too long because it does get hot. One trick that I forgot to mention, or one thing that you do need, is you do need a toner. I do use the Violet to pull out the red, the Violet 50, and I mentioned that. But the T18, so it's going to give you that, it's going to give that smoky ash off of it. If you guys saw my last video, it still had that like ashy color, that kind of like dirty strawberry blonde color. This T18 will pull all that out. And I use a one toner method with it. I just put it on with the developer, pretty much like what the box says on it. I do a 2-to-1 mixture. So develop 2 parts of toner to 1 part of, 2 parts of developer to 1 part of toner. So yeah, and that's with a 20. Let's see, that's with the 20 here. So anyways, guys. Yeah, so we did pretty good. I mean, it's all pretty white. Once it gets dry, this is still wet, has a little bit of color to it. However, I'm going to mix in some silvers and some metallics in it, give it some nice shininess, give it that sparkle. There's also this glitter toner. Now, it doesn't add glitter to your beard. It won't add glitter to your hair, but it does make it shiny and soft. So I'm going to get some of that, see how that works. I mean, I've got plenty of time. We can play around with it. I've been pretty easy with it lately. Haven't had much breakage. There's a little bit, but some of it's just natural growth and breakage from pulling and tugging on it and just brushing it out. But all in all, I'm pretty satisfied with it. So last year, it took me much longer. It took me about 2 weeks to get the beard where I wanted it to. This year, it took me 2 nights. Last night, I did 3 rounds. I woke up early this morning, did 1 more round, and then tonight I just did a round of toner, pulled that smoky ash out. Let's actually read what it says on it. Light ash blonde. Yeah, so yeah, it's going to pull that out. And then I did 1 last round of bleach that I just got out of the shower with, and yeah. So remember, guys, I don't dye it every night. It'd be just too hard. I touch up with this hair white. It does pretty good. And then I just fade it in through so it pulls through. And then I'll probably just dye it and bleach it out again on the weekend, probably on Sundays. I've got gigs probably almost every night through December. The weekends are really heavy, so I may actually be touching up Friday, so I look really fresh on Saturday. I've got lots of big events on Saturday. But yeah, cool, guys. Peace. Making it happen.